G'day, Bruce Cobb from Seed Cleaners Australia. Just a quick walk around the ISM30T. This is an ISM30T gravity feed to Australian specs. This is the grain hopper. The grain is filled via auger, and we try to maintain a minimum level in the hopper so the grain is spread across the full width of the machine. The grain feed is controlled by the skate, and by opening, like so, you allow the grain to feed across the airflow that comes in from the fan. It can be closed off for filling, and then once you start, you can open him up and then watch the sample as you go. Stop. The fan pushes air through the straightener, which then allows the heavy grain to drop across the rubberized partitions, the lighter grain being dropped into the last few chutes, and the chaff going out in to the mesh bag. Speed is regulated by this knob. There's an LED readout that tells you what setting you're on. You can reverse the fan. You can send the fan to normal working position. So by reversing, you can clean the machine out. Stop. Okay, start. Once you've got the grain to the minimum level and a continuous feed in, it's then time to turn your fan on. Start with around 4.5 on your LED screen. Open up your feed control gate and start watching the sample. The heavy material will drop out first and the lighter material will come out last. You can direct the lighter material to the opposite side if you wish, so you can have an auger taking away the secondary grain and a separate auger delivering the good grain. Generally the first chute doesn't have so much grain in it. It's more 2, 3, 4 and 5 where you get the choice grain. The partitions can be adjusted so that if when you're looking at the sample you feel that that one's too good to reject, you can then move the partition over and collect that one and bring it over this way. So you can divide it up, you can fraction the sample. Thanks. An extra outlet is provided to drive a pencil auger up to a couple of kilowatts, and the speed of the pencil auger can be controlled by this fellow. You can go forward or reverse for cleaning out your pencil auger, increase your feed-in rate or slow it down. Yep. The control panel has the electronics in behind it, and they have what we call VFDs, variable frequency drives. So you've got one for the fan and you've got another one for the auger drive. Yeah, and the machine is built to European standards, so everything's top quality. A factory option is the precision feed. Now this replaces the gravity feed and feeds a fixed amount of grain in, variable again in speed, but if you've got a lot of trash or foreign objects, dead mice, whatever, the beauty of this system is it will continue to feed it through and won't stop. So if you want high volume, this is a good way to go. Thanks.